Procedure of semi-auto cycle threading device. 1. For example, 20 threads per inch. Follow a chart. Put the gear on lever A, D, E for inch, thread, and select direction on direction control lever. Use jogging button to make sure gear is well engaged. 2. Turn on power. 3. Start spindle. 4. Turn to auto thread start. 5. Choose inner or outer threading. 6. Set starting point. Third dog from the top. 7. Move the carriage until the auto thread switch light is on. This means the limit switch contact starting point. 8. Set the reversing dog towards tailstock, the bottom dog. 9. Follow the chasing dial. 10. Push cycle start. When limit switch contacts reversing dog, the saddle will go to starting point rapidly and automatically. The thread start light will turn on for next cycle. Explanation for control dog. 1. Travel dog for maximum safety limit switch. 2. Reversing dog towards spindle. 3. Starting position dog. 4. Reversing dog towards tailstock.